Hello, mathematical explorers. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers. Today, we are setting sail on a thrilling voyage into the world of multiplying with mighty multiples. Get ready for an adventure that will take your multiplication skills to new heights. Before we dive into the heart of this method, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. In our previous adventures, we unraveled the secrets of multiplying two-digit numbers. We mastered the vertical multiplication method, a magical technique that allows us to find the product of two numbers with ease. Now, equipped with the skills of multiplying two-digit numbers, we are ready to elevate our game and venture into the world of larger numbers. So, buckle up for a thrilling ride as we unlock the secrets of multiplying with mighty multiples. Also, recall the idea of aligning numbers vertically, like lining up soldiers in a parade. When multiplying, we write the two numbers one above the other, making sure the digits in the same place value are lined up. Now, let's explore vertical multiplication with a simple example. Picture this: you have two substantial numbers, like 356 and 428. Today, we are going to employ a method that brings an extra dose of magic to multiplying large numbers. Firstly, we write one of the large numbers below the other, aligning the digits meticulously. Now, the real magic begins. We start multiplying digit by digit, starting from the right and moving towards the left. Let's break it down step by step. Take the digits in the unit place and multiply them. For example, if you have 6 times 8, that equals 48. Write down the 8 under the line and carry over the 4 to the next column. Moving to the next column, multiply 6 by 2, add the carried over 4. What's the result? It's 16. Write down 6 and carry over the 1 to the next column. After carefully adding carry over number to the answer, write 22 next in result. Now, let's tackle the tens place. First, 5 times 8 equals 40. Write 0 exactly where it's shown and carry over 4 to the next digit just like before. Now multiply 5 and 2, we'll get 10, and after adding carry over 4 the answer will be 14. We'll write 4, and again carry over 1 to number 4. Next, 5 times 4 equals 20, add carry over 1 and write answer 21 just like this. Now, we'll move to the hundred number of 356. 3 times 8 equals 24. Write 4, and carry over number 2. 3 times 2 equals 6, add carry over, answer will be 8. 3 times 4 equals 12. Finally, add up the results to find the product. Let's put this into action. Can you take a guess at the answer? The product of 356 and 428 is an impressive 152,368. You've just unleashed the power of multiplying with mighty multiples. Now you master the art of multiplication. That's right. Write the numbers vertically, multiply digit by digit, carry over when needed, and add up the results. Dive into the world of multiplying with mighty multiples, for it is a skill that lights up the path to countless discoveries and innovations. If you found these mathematical insights helpful and want to stay tuned for more exciting adventures, don't forget to show your support. Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to join our ever-growing community at Reading Readiness Centers. By subscribing, you ensure that you won't miss out on any future mathematical marvels, science wonders, and language magic. Remember, the world of numbers is vast and fascinating, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Until our next mathematical adventure, happy learning and keep shining, mathematical explorers.